Hello guys, take a look of this calendar guy. Take a look of this calculator guys. It is totally function. It is 100% function. So for example, let me type this on 10 and maybe times 3. If I click the equal sign, you can see it is going to add that. So let's say okay, plus from that plus this one. Okay, now it is going to add that for me. Then I'm going to say oh, minus this one. So it is going to do that for me. So I'm going to say divide by this one. So it is going to do that for me, and I'm going to say now just clear it. So let's take this and I add this one. So I'm building I built this calculator using ChatGPT in a simple line of command, guys. So ChatGPT can help you to save a lot of time. If you are aware of these things, then it's going to provide you with your simple way you can just do this. But you can also all you need to do just you can do simple customization of your calculator, guys. But ChatGPT is going to help you to save time, guys. So before further ado, consider subscribing to this channel, guys. If you're not already my subscriber, no further ado, let's dive in, guys, to see how it look like. Okay, so we are in ChatGPT, and as you can see, I've already told the ChatGPT to write the HTML code for calculator, also CSS, but remember to position it at the center, the page from both left and the top, and then make the calculator button round, and then finish with the JavaScript code to your calculator, guys. So with this single line of command, with this single line. So in the prompt, you can see, let's see how ChatGPT can do that for us. As you can see, it is already start generating the HTML code regarding the calculator, guys. So I telling they with a simple line of command. So the more you become the specific with your prompt, guys, the way the ChatGPT is going to do the things faster for you. So as already you can see now, it is starting generating the CSS code for us, and then I'm getting some of the command there maybe to position center and then make the calculate the button loud, so it is going also to do that for us. So this is a css code for regarding the calculator. ChatGPT is doing that for us. So and with a simple command, guys, we can manage to do this in a simple command. If you have to type this for yourself, then guys, it will take you couple of minutes, or even if you're too slow, then it will take you maybe an hour to hours, or an hour and above. So guys, as you can see now, this is a HTML code that I'm going to call. To copy it, what I'm going to do, I need to copy some of this code. Now let me decide. If I scroll down here, let me decide. Yeah, maybe I want to take from the okay, let me come here and they declare the general HTML code. So let me take this off. Let me say calculator, and also let me link the CSS file. Okay, link the CSS file with this line of code. Okay, now let's come back and take this HTML code. So I'm going to copy from there. Say it is already included the JavaScript there, so we're going to add that file. So what else? We're going to add the Java file for the sake of this video, guys. So I'm going to say JavaScript here, and then let's save this file in the same location at the two files, HTML and the CSS one. So and it is already called the script here. So let me call it also script to make the things too easier. So I'm going to target the same location, guys. So I'm going to add this. It is a script in the JavaScript file. So let me save this. Okay, after I've been saved now, you can see that come back here, and you can see this is the HTML. Now I'm going to take the HTML code. So let's just come and take this code to be added to our HTML file. So just come to take up to this, and we need to copy it. So after I've copied, now let's come back and paste it to our HTML file. So this is how it look like, the basic HTML code for our calculator, as you see here area, guys. So okay, let's save the changes. Now you can just also see the CSS code is there, but also the this is the CSS code, but also the JavaScript code already declared with ChatGPT, and are using the single line command, guys. So also take the CSS file code and just come to CSS file and paste it. You can see you need to save the changes in order to it to be applicable to your browser. Now I'm going Just take this and open it on a browser. Okay, you can see this is before any styling. So if you don't have the CSS, this is how it will look like. So now all you need to do, just come to the CSS file, you also save it, save the CSS file. And if you're going to take to the page again, you're going to refresh the page, you're gonna see these things gonna change. So as you can see here, if I come back and refresh this page, you're gonna see this is the basic chart, this is the basic calculator, and you can see that no more functionality will be applicable because the JavaScript file is not yet added, guys. And you can see with simple line of command, guys. I managed to do this with ChatGPT, and you can see, as I say, if you scroll down here to JavaScript code, you can see also Java, ChatGPT is already doing that for us. So if you come here to JavaScript file and you can paste it, I've already linked the JavaScript file to my HTML code. As you can see at the down there, I will include the script, which I also rename it as a script. So as you if you add the chat if you add the JavaScript, now you're going to see the functionality of the calculator is now the full applied. So 100% it is going to do as for so this is a few example I'm providing you to see how it look like, and it's a simple command using ChatGPT. We managed to do this, guys. So this is how, if you're a programmer, then ChatGPT can make you to save can help you to save time, guys, and you can do a lot of work, guys. For example, I'm going to add the ChatGPT to add something. I will say add a build maybe background. Say add a bit background color to your maybe calculator. To your calculator, you chat GB, just add this, add a build color. Let me make this also add a build color to your calculator, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do that. So we're going to say sure to add beautiful background color. Then ChatGPT is going to do that for us. It is going to add the it is going to add this background linear gradient, guys. As you can see, this is line of code here for linear gradient. It is not in the first file of the CSS. As you can see, no background color there, but you can see here background, it is a linear gradient, and it is set to bottom, and it had two colors. So it's going also to proceed with the coding with the CSS code. So for example, in this example we are using linear gradient. So as you can see, this line here, you can just copy this, and you can just come and paste it again. Just you can take this off, or you can just decide to take the single line of code which is regarding the background color. You can just add to a specific area, to a targeted area. Then if you save the changes and you're going to apply, then you can see the calculator background color, it is now changed. So ChatGPT is doing that for simple for couple of seconds. It helps us to do all of these things. So if you have to learn it by yourself, then you're going to see it is going to take you some time, guys. So but if you also ChatGPT, if you are good programmers, then you're gonna increase your performance, guys, because with ChatGPT things are gonna be easier. Then you can do some and simple customization regarding your calculator, guys. So this is the basics calculator I've been using ChatGPT. Consider subscribing to this channel, guys. If you found this video helpful, guys, smash the like button to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and let me see you in the next video.